Great, so you're just moving things around, that's it. Cutting down this old sad peach tree. You're moving this panicle hydrangea over there. You're moving the Rose of Sharon that looks like it's on its last legs, but you know it's gonna be fine, right around here, okay? You're gonna prune that small leaf rhododendron down and buy one more, so you've got 3, and you manage the size. You'll maybe do a little more moving around and filling in and, you know, like maybe some sedum here and whatever, just to make it kind of full. You can manage the beautyberry to have it be more upright and columnar if you want, so that's fine. You're gonna move this guy and have a couple more steps and like lean into the entrance here. Here, you're going to do, now that you have a clean slate, which is amazing, you're gonna mirror this and that on the same way, okay? So far away from the house, you're gonna put either a serrata hydrangea or a big leaf hydrangea. You're gonna put a red twig, red osier, between the windows right about here. So plenty of space, in fact, maybe even here, okay? Like 3 feet from the house. And here's your inkberry, male, female, or female, male. So you get the berries, and then mirror the same thing, red osier, and then the serrata is probably a better bet because of the sun tolerance, okay? Then you wanted to get rid of this and dismantle it. I don't think so. I think save yourself some money, keep what you have. Just move the peonies because I think they're what's making it seem a little messy. Shrubs or perennials in front of the shrubs until the shrubs get bigger, and then you have to move the perennials. Great, fine, do that. Then just divide, transplant what you have, and cut down the stems of the lilies. So, because you were saying it's a little wild, I think you love the wild, and I think it looks great. So I would leave that as it is. Okay, so that's this area. I'm your panicle hydrangea from over there. It's going to get big, okay? That row there is mountain laurel, like it is over there. You can move the ferns and the hostas to the back. You can try some here. I would not try to plant any perennials here. I would just have the panicle hydrangea. It's too much, too big an area to try to plant things. I think you can actually get rid of the edging here too. I would just have it be 2 shrubs so you can mow in between, don't worry about it. When all the pine needles fall, I would rake or blow them all in here. Have this be natural and free mulch. It does not add acidity to the soil, contrary to what a lot of people believe. I would keep managing the crabgrass, the Virginia creeper, and the poison ivy. Keep it in the woods, keep it off of here. Hopefully native things keep coming up, like the wood sorrel. And then you can take little chunks of the Canadian, you know, Mayflower over there and other things and try to have them spread. It's going to take a long time, but you can try to go for that look, okay?